Okay, we're looking at a 2017 Chevy 2500 with the DuraMax 6.6 diesel. It is a tan pewter in color with chrome wheels. We're asking $44,950 for this truck. It's got 102,000 miles. It's loaded, guys. LTZ, leather interior, heated and cooled seats, backup cam, navigation, everything you want. Something we also do is we offer a 5-year unlimited mile warranty on a truck like this, on a used truck. And yes, that even covers diesel trucks, and it's a fantastic warranty to cover you for long term. This is a Z71 package as well. It's got the parking aid sensors in the back. It does have backup camera. It's got a spray-in bed liner. It's got your fifth wheel attachment there. This is a extremely nice vehicle. You go buy this thing brand new, you're going to pay some serious money. But we're offering it here used to you like new for far less than a brand new one. One good looking truck. Let's go ahead and hop in here, look at inside. Of course, it has your memory seat settings. It's got your power mirrors, power leather seats. It's got your rubber floor mats. Those are always nice to have. Make sure everything stays clean. Like I said, it is 4x4. You got your trailer brakes right there as well. Like I said, it's got heated and cooled seats. It's going to have navigation, backup camera, radio, Sirius radio. It's got the adjuster for your pedals there. It also has exhaust brake, very nice to have, especially if you're carrying a load, or maybe you got an RV that you pull. This also has the ability to charge your phone while it's riding down the road. Very cool feature as well. It's got the Bose sound system in it. We'll go ahead and get this thing cranked up and started. Go ahead and turn this off. AC works great. It's got projection, so you can project your cell phone up to that. Like I said, it's got navigation, texting as well, weather. Some extra apps in there that you can also download or use. I mean, this thing's ready to hit the road, go on long trips. I'll show you the back seat. Here's the back seat. Got plenty of space. It is leather as well. It's got the rubber floor mat in it. Seats fold up. Get your little cubby there. Barely even hear this thing running. Let me open the hood. All right, here we are under the hood. Engine practically looks brand new. Running good and smooth. Clean truck, very clean truck. Now we also offer financing here at Crossroads Auto Sales. Like I said, we have a warranty that we can add on this unit, 5 years, unlimited miles. we can get you in this truck today. If you're interested in learning more, give us a shout. Find us online at ilovecrossroads.com. Call us at 706-866-1101, and we can have you driving in this 2017 Chevrolet 2500 HD DuraMax truck. One bad boy.